friends, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put together a meal right out of your pantry. Now here I've got my home canned chili because tonight I'm just going to put together some quick chili mac. It's another one of Michigan's favorites. Anyway, with my pint here, I've got the beans, the meat, and everything on it. It's already chili. So I don't have to do anything else. I don't have to fry any meat, nothing. It's already in the jar. And then out of my pantry, I got an extra can of diced tomatoes. Now, yes, I do can. I usually can my own. But when I find these on sale for an unbelievable price, you bet I'm going to buy them. I just wish they were organic because I like organic. And then I also have noodles, and I'm going to cook 2 cups of noodles, which cooked will be 4, to add to our chili mac. And then some spices, and then I've got garlic bread that I pulled out of the freezer. So this, friends, is why I love my pantry, first off, and being able to freeze stuff, and I love it. I love preserving food. I can walk into my pantry and say, wow, what sounds good for dinner? Well, here you go. I got this, this, and this. Good dinner. We're ready to go. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I'm also going to start, while I'm jib-jabbering, I'm also going to start a pantry chit-chat series. So in this, we can all get together and chit-chat about our pantries and preserving food. Maybe share some recipes, homestead ideas, all your whatnots. We'll just have fun. Pull up your coffee or pull up your chair and grab your coffee, and we'll just have a heck of a chit-chat. So anyway, that's going to start fairly soon, and I certainly hope you all will join me. Anyway, so with that all said, enough of the jabbering. This is almost boiling, so as soon as that starts to boil, I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there, put my noodles in there. When they're done, I'll be back, and I will show you how I put this all together. Friends, my noodles are rinsed and drained, and still screaming hot because I rinsed them in hot water. But there, that 2 cups of noodles winds up making 4 cups of cooked. I'm going to dump this in here carefully. Okay. If I can open that. Ooh, there's a good seal on it. Alright, now I'm going to put this in there, and I need my little... Alright. So it's that simple. Take a look at that. That is going to be wonderful. Get that all mixed in there. And then I'm just going to let that simmer for a little bit. And that really is going to be good. And that's how simple it is to make some chili mac. Now in my chili, I had everything in there. I had the beans, I had the tomatoes, I had the onions and the celery and the meat, and not the spices though, because I don't can with spices. Canning seems to enhance your spices. But again, whoa, that's way too much. We're just going to put some of my house blend in there because that's got the garlic and salt and pepper in it. And that will be good. And this is what my husband loves to eat. So, real quick meal. And he's going to like this with a nice hunk of garlic bread. And I'm going to just turn that back on low. And I'm going to just let that simmer for about 5 minutes. I'm going to, let it cook for about 5 more minutes and heat all the way through so that the chili and the tomatoes and everything's heated all the way through. And that will be our dinner. So, that's it. It's that simple. There you go. See how nice that looks? Wonderful. And what little bit of juice is in there? There is some juice in there, and those noodles will still absorb a little bit more. But really, it won't last that long because somebody will wind up coming over to have dinner with us too. So, there you have it, friends. An easy pantry meal that your family should enjoy with some garlic bread, bread and butter, whatever you want to serve with it. And it's simple and it's wonderful. So, there you are. Thanks for watching.